Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Tina here. I have a lot of projects, and I won't be out here at the moment. I'm going to come out a little bit later today since I actually have some time, but I wanted to show you something that I have that came with, ignore that, my Super Duty. When we first got that, it wasn't running, and it had a headache rack on it. So it had a ladder rack on the top with a couple of bed boxes, and I'm going to use them for other purposes. And one of them will assist in this build. So let me, obviously you can see my truck here. Ignore this other mess, but watch. My side yard is a disaster. So down, see this rack here? Underneath, we're cleaning this area up now that we can, but there's the rack. I have all this metal. I have all these pieces that I can cut up and use to assist in the build of this thing. And what I want to cut it up and possibly use it for is, well, some welding practice, because I haven't welded in like 20 years. I'd like to make sure I can still do it. But I'm considering building a little cart of sorts for my welder. I have like the simplest one out there. Harbor Freight, of course. But I'd like to have it to where I can put it anywhere I need it around here, because I am most certainly going to need it if the little welder can handle the job that this thing is going to need, because this thing has more rust than anything I've ever owned. Like I said, 50% rust, but what, that's what you get when they come out of Chicago and then sit here. So I guess I'm lucky it's only 50%, right? But tomorrow's plan is going to be to wash that and this, because I'm not going to do any sanding on this until it's washed, because I don't want to be grinding into dirt into the metal. It just makes it dirtier, and I don't like that. So that needs a bath so I can continue with the work. This needs a bath because, well, I don't know, can you see that? It doesn't look like you can see it, but you can. So I must have run into some gum and it slung it everywhere. And then, I don't know, that white crap is not quite all over it, but it was a puddle. I saw it. And I'm not sure what it is, but it does come off. So yeah, I gotta wash this too, because it's dirty and it needs to be done. It's a little bit dirtier than I normally let my vehicles get, but I mean, there's a lot of dirt here in this state, so as you can see, my drive is covered in it. But yeah, so tomorrow's plan is to wash these two. My granddaughter will be here to help with that, so you'll likely see her. And yeah, that's tomorrow's plan. And I'm going to dig out the rack here in a few minutes, and I'll get some video when I'm done, so maybe you guys can help me with some ideas. Otherwise, stay tuned. Let me know what you think, and I will see you on the next one.